Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. H. Today, we will be learning how to graph linear equations using the intercepts. But first, let's recall some important information about the two intercepts. So, in the previous videos, you've learned that there are two different intercepts. So we call them the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So the x-intercept is actually a point on the x-axis that the graph crosses. So if you're going to write it as a point, so this is the format. So you have a value for the x-coordinate, comma 0. And for the y-intercept, it is a point on the y-axis that the graph crosses. So the format, if you're going to write the y-intercept as a point, it should be 0, comma, b. So where b is the y-coordinate of the point. To further understand this, let's take a look at the first example. Graph the given equation y equals to 1 over 4x plus 1 using the intercepts. First, what we're going to do is we need to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept before plotting the points on the grid. If you notice, the equation given is already written in the form of sloped intercept. So we can easily identify what the y-intercept is from this equation, from here. So we can say that the y-intercept is at 0, comma 1. We don't need to do anything. But if ever the equation is not written in this form, you can actually find the y-intercept by making or by letting x equals to 0 and then just solve the equation. So like for this example, finding the y-intercept is making x equal to 0 and solve the equation. So from here, you can see that this will be gone because 1/4 times 0 is 0. Then you have y equals to 1. And that goes back to here. To find the x-intercept, it's going to be the opposite process. So if you want to find the x-intercept, we just let y be equal to 0. And then we solve the equation. So from here, you can have 0 equals to 1 over 4x plus 1. And then we simply solve the equation. So positive 1 will move to the left, so that will become negative 1 equals 1 over 4x. And then from here, we can see that we can multiply the entire equation by the LCD, or the lowest common denominator, which is 4. Or you can actually do it by multiplying 4 by negative 1, which is negative 4 equals 1x. So from here, we can say that the value of x is negative 4. And our x-intercept is at negative 4, comma 0. So we already have the information that we need. So we have the x-intercept, which is negative 4, comma 0. And our y-intercept is 0, comma 1. And we're ready to graph. All right, so let's plot first the x-intercept, which is negative 4, comma 0. So negative 4, comma 0, so that's our x-intercept. X-intercept is on the x-axis. And for the y-intercept, 0, comma 1, which should be on the y-axis. So 0, comma 1 is here. So after plotting the 2 points, then simply connect the 2 points. The graph of the given equation, y equals to 1 over 4x plus 1. Okay, for example number 2. Graph the given equation 2x minus 3y equals to 10. This equation is written in standard form. No matter which form the given equation is written into, you can still solve and find the x-intercept and the y-intercept by following the same process we did in example 1. So let's find the x-intercept. So to find the x-intercept, again, we let y be equal to 0. So from the original equation, we have 2x minus 3. Then we replace y by 0 equals to 10. And then we simplify. So this one is gone. So you have 2x equals to 10. Divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals to 5. So we can say that our x-intercept is at 5, 0. And for the y-intercept, we let x equals to 0. So replace x from the original equation by 0. So 2 times 0 minus 3y equals to 10. So 2 times 0 is 0, so that will be gone. So you have negative 3y equals to 10. We divide both sides by negative 3. And we get y equals to negative 10 over 3. So we can say that our y-intercept is at 0, negative 10 over 3. So now we have the information that we need. So we have our x-intercept, which is at 5, 0, and our y-intercept, which is at 0, negative 10 over 3. So that's our x-intercept at 5, 0, and y-intercept is 0, negative 10 over 3. So negative 10 divided by 3 is negative 3.33. So you can just estimate that. So negative 3.33 is somewhere around here. So that is the graph of the given equation 2x minus 3y equals to 10 using the intercepts. And for your challenge, please grab your pen and paper and graph the given equation. The given equation is 4x plus y equals negative 20. I hope you learned something new today, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching.